many clients have you handled so far?
It must be somewhere around 1500 plus clients from across the globe. We have helped them.
Okay.
People all from all different countries would want to move to Dubai. You can see the data across newspapers and in the media.
That
And
Habibi come to Dubai.
Habibi come to Dubai is genuinely happening. As a business setup person, the client, when they come to Dubai, they really want to trust one company, and we probably would want to be that one company.
Hello friends, welcome back to Dubai Katta podcast. Today we have very interesting and intellectual guest. He's a chartered accountant from UK and also a company secretary from India. But before introducing him, I remember a very interesting and a very popular advertisement which was there in TV commercial in 90s. It was Hamara Kal, Hamara Aaj, Hamara Kal, Hamara Aaj. And we have Mr. Bharat Bajaj from Dubai. He is a business setup guy, a tax and consultant guy, a golden visa guy in Dubai. Bharat, please introduce yourself.
Hi, thanks a lot, Paresh. Thanks for the great introduction. Thanks for having me here today.
It's our pleasure, Bharat. And why don't you introduce about your business things also? What exactly the name of the company? What is that? What are your deliverables, the top deliverables?
Paresh, I run a boutique consulting firm called AB Capital. It's a corporate service provider firm where we help businesses expanding in the UAE and the GCC at large, setting up their businesses, structuring their businesses, helping them getting the residencies in the UAE, residencies through businesses, golden visas, PRO work. Then we do banking consultancy, and accounting and tax compliances. We are an FTA approved tax agency and helping businesses for taking care of the accounting compliances and tax compliances. And last but not least, we also do real estate advisory and real estate mortgage services, which are also an important pillar of our services. And we've been helping all our clients across the globe through all these services that we've been delivering through AB Capital.
Got it, Bharat. So, I mean, if I understand correctly, so you come from a finance and company secretary background, and Dubai,
Correct.
you started your business in which year?
It started in 2021, but I started my practice in 2018.
2018. Okay.
Yes, when the VAT came in Paresh first time in Dubai, I'll tell you the scenario. Before 2018, the accounting almost did not exist in the UAE
Yeah, I
because, and the
understand.
2018 was the first time that Dubai introduced the value-added tax, and that's when I saw a massive opportunity, big spike, because people here were not comfortable with the accounting as a concept, tax as a concept. Alongside the tax introduction, there's another opportunity came in, which was the accounting, because both goes hand on hand.
Right, right,
Okay,
right.
and that's when I started helping businesses. I started helping clients. I could understand their businesses structuring, how things been happening, different sort of challenges, and that's what made me start this in 2021. And after that, there is no looking back, Paresh.
Understood, understood. So, other than accounting and taxes, you are also helping the folks to set up their businesses in UAE. Please tell us more
Yeah,
about
yeah.
that.
So business setup is one of the biggest pillar that we do as service provider. Client across the globe would want to come to Dubai, set up their businesses. Dubai has so-called biggest brand today for setting up businesses and one of the most sought after jurisdiction across the globe. Number one, lowest of the taxes, okay, safety and security of the top notch, luxury, and freedom to operate.
Right.
I guess these are the parameters which has been helping Dubai getting the traction and the momentum to be the most sought after location across the globe today. And
Understood.
we get
Understood.
inquiries every single day from different jurisdiction across the globe, be it India, Europe, US, UK, China, Russia. Those kind of clients we've been helping it. They would
Okay.
want to come expand their businesses in Dubai and in UAE. And that's what we do. We help clients setting up their businesses in Dubai, UAE, not only setting it up, but creating right structure through advisory and guidance. And once it starts with the business setup, we help them setting up the visas, getting residencies, setting up their bank accounts, taking care of their books of accounts, and eventually client end up buying a real estate as well, because anybody who comes to Dubai, they fall in love with the city,
Okay.
and
So
nobody would want to go back, and that's why they make it their second home.
understood. Understood. So, I mean, you also mentioned you are into PRO services kind of support. So, what exactly client can expect from your side?
But his PRO services are important and integral part of the business setup services, where we help clients getting their residencies, visas, okay, medical, biometric, all these nitty gritty of the process, which includes in the residency. That is what my team does. The
Okay.
golden visa is another important aspect of the PRO services, where a lot of clients would want to have UAE golden visa, 10 years residency program, which is which is really very famous across the globe today. You can be, it has got multiple advantages, and that is what we do. We help clients getting their golden visas through different means. So people buy property more than 2 million AED in the UAE, people getting salaries more than 30,000 dirham, people paying taxes more than 250,000 dirham a year can also become eligible for the golden visa. So there are different ways the UAE government introduced the plans, and that is what we help clients advise them that how can they become eligible for the golden visa.
Okay.
And that's what our company does under the PRO services.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So, you already got your golden visa as well?
Well, yes, of course. I had to try one for myself so that I can pitch it to my clients as well.
That's great. That's great. That's good to know. So you mentioned about accounting, PRO services, golden visa. You also touched upon the taxes and the business setup. Anything additional, more services that you are providing, which are
Well,
prominent?
Paresh, yes, as I said, as a business setup person, the client, when they come to Dubai, they really want to trust one company, and we probably would want to be that one company. This only not only starts with business setup, but it goes over a relationship for life. I can see that every day when client come for setting up businesses, then they take visas to that company, then they sponsor their immediate family members, then they would want me to help them. Bharat, recommend me schools for my kids. Bharat, can you guide me where should I buy property? And that's what lead us to do different services. So we started real estate advisory, real estate mortgage services. So it is pretty much everything that we have to do, client would want us to do that or help them, and that's what we've been doing. And Paresh, we've been also coming up with the e-invoicing. E-invoicing is a new mandate from the Ministry of Finance, where all the businesses mandatory has to come from 1st July 2026,
Okay.
that e-invoicing will be a mandatory for the businesses doing turnover more than 50 million.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and they must provide an ASP. We already have been working with the Ministry of Finance for becoming an ASP, and soon we will have one.
Okay. So there is a threshold of 50 million
Well,
AED.
yes. So invoicing is a mandatory requirement for the turnover beyond 50 million. It's a starting phase, but the second phase will cover all the businesses across UAE.
Okay.
And the second phase will start in June 2027.
Okay.
So by June 2027, all the businesses must follow e-invoicing
Okay. So anything less than 50 million will fall under the second
phase.
stance. Okay.
Second phase.
Okay,
Yes.
second phase of e-invoicing. That's going to be the change in another change in Dubai. I think Dubai is evolving a lot over the years. So also accounting and finance field. How do you handle all this stuff?
Well, so we are in a business of constant learning, Paresh. So as I told you, before 2018, accounting and taxation did not exist in UAE. 2018 onwards, VAT came in, and then 2023, corporate tax. And now there are a lot of compliances Dubai is bringing in, because obviously we need to make the jurisdiction one of the best jurisdiction across the globe.
Right.
Okay, and that's what is strengthening the overall economy. So how do we learn it every day? Because we come across every single day different changes, and we keep a close eye on the different set of rules, regulation which is being placed by the UAE government. We try to keep ourselves abreast with the new knowledge which is every day being published in news, and try to grasp it to the grassroots level and help our clients, because
Good.
that's extremely important. As an advisor, as a tax consultant, as an accountant, that we help client, give them the first-hand knowledge of the
Understood.
things happening around.
Right. So, I mean, there's a lot of stuff happening and you're doing a lot of stuff. How do you handle all this, like number of offices or staff? What is the volume? How you handle this volume?
Paresh, if you will say, if you'll ask me about the volume, so we have currently serving through three offices, one in
Okay.
Sharjah, another one in Dubai, and one in India.
Okay.
I work with about 40 strong team members.
40.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
40
great.
strong team members. We've been helping clients, as I said, the different set of services that we offer, and a lot of AI tools, the efficient team members, and that is what helping us to achieve what we really want to achieve.
Understood. That's great. Great. And in terms of, say, setting up new businesses, how many clients have you handled so far? What kind of, breakdown that you can provide?
Well, if you will ask me to recollect the exact numbers, it must be somewhere around 1500 plus clients
Oh,
from across the globe. We have helped them. Different jurisdictions, people have come to us and asked us to help them, and we have successfully done this.
oh, more than 1,500
Yes,
clients.
1500 plus
Oh, that's
businesses.
great. That's great. And what kind of industries or what kind of breakdown, ranging from?
That's the great part of it, Paresh. So we have helped almost every single industry. We have successfully set up a manufacturing industry. We have successfully set up a non NBFC, non banking financial company. We have
Okay.
successfully set up professional firms. We have even set up restaurant, cafeterias, saloon, a grocery shop. So almost everything you name it, people would want to start, and we have a solution for that business.
That's great. That's great. And I remember one more Bollywood connection along with this. If you have seen a movie called as Andaz Apna Apna, there is also one character with the same surname of Bajaj.
Yes, I can recollect
I
that.
think, yeah, he used to say, like, anda bhi main supplying karunga, bread bhi main supplying. He's the kind of guy who wanted to do everything all together, and which is of course that you are doing for the client.
We do it as per the business structure, that what suits best to the business.
Okay.
Some clients, it is important to set up in mainland. Some of them, it would be free zone would be a better choice, and even offshore companies also. So
Okay.
we do it, as I said, 1500 plus companies. We assess the business plan, we understand the requirement, and then we suggest that which will be the best jurisdiction, mainland, free zone, or offshore.
Okay. Okay. That
So
sounds
all
good.
this kind of variety of businesses that we have set up, Paresh, all this while.
Okay. And you mentioned, like, you already have three offices and clients from different countries. So
Yes.
how does that work? Like,
Well, yes, it's a very important challenge you have brought it up, Paresh. We work with different time zones because we have US client, we have Canadian client, we have Singaporean client and Chinese client, and they are
okay.
into far apart different time zones, and we have
Okay.
to match where their time zones and communicate with them, help them, work with them alongside getting their businesses set up, getting their residencies. So I can pretty much say whole of my team work round the clock to help clients meet their expectation and exceed their expectations as well.
That's great. That's great to know. So, like, handling all those challenges, how do you handle this pressure? Being in Dubai, and especially, there are so many changes happening in accounting and finance world, along with the other compliances and regulatory requirements. How you handle all this stuff?
Well, it's a very dynamic environment in Dubai. Paresh, you rightly said that things being rapidly changing, evolving every single hour, and I would, thanks to my strong team, my clients who've been trusting us, they have a lot amount of patience, and that the learning behavior that we have, that we learn every single moment of the day
Uh-huh.
alongside client to give the best update to our client and the first hand knowledge that how it can affect their business journey in UAE.
That sounds good. And so, AI, this new technology things, how does that impact your business?
Well, of course, it is affecting our business as well. Artificial intelligence is the biggest thing which is humankind has seen. and it is going to change the way we live. The artificial intelligence has really helped us as a business to execute things more effectively.
Okay.
We've been using it to our knowledge, to our advantage,
Mm-hmm.
and it's going to help us even more to add value to what we already been doing. So we take it as a very positive technology change which we all of us are going through.
That's great. That's great. So, what are your future growth plans, Bharat?
I see massive opportunities across sectors, especially in Dubai,
Mm-hmm.
Paris. Influx of demand of inquiries every single day we do get.
Okay.
People all from all different countries would want to move to Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the data across newspapers and in the media.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody would come to Dubai and settle here.
That
And
Habibi come to Dubai is really
Habibi come
working.
to Dubai is genuinely happening. And we've been getting influx of inquiries every single day from different parts of the world. And we've been keeping it up with it, helping clients, bring them here, help them set up, help them settle eventually. And that is what we've been doing every single day.
That's great. That's great. So, do you have any suggestions for aspiring businessman or businesswoman? I won't be gender biased. So, any suggestions from your side? Anybody wants to come and set up their business in Dubai?
Well, Paresh, if you want to ask me the inspiring business owners, the biggest quality which I see in the people which can help them grow, I personally believe that it's very important, is creating trust.
Mm-hmm.
One of the most important aspect of anybody's personality, because what I have seen, I grew up that trust is the biggest quality which can help you grow, and one of the most important aspect of human life, I think.
That's wonderful, Bharat. Bharat, thank you so much. I think I covered most of my part. Do you want to add anything more?
Paresh, it was great talking to you, and thanks to you, your listeners, for having me here and watching me today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bharat, and it was really wonderful having you on Dubai Katta. And I'm looking forward for more podcasts with you so that you can bring more of your knowledge with specified areas like you mentioned about golden visa, about changes in accounting, taxes, and e-invoicing. We can really have those separate sessions so that
L-
the audience will learn a lot from this.
Likewise, Paresh, and as I said, we should do series of podcasts on the golden visas kind of business setup that we can do and work together to enhance knowledge about Dubai across the world.
So, folks, if you really want to set up business in Dubai, this is the guy to reach out. Bharat is definitely going to help you. I know him virtually. He's very humble guy and very much cooperative and supportive. That is going to help you. He's transparent at the same time. That is all important for any aspiring investor to get their comfort in Dubai. And I'm sure he will help you out. So thank you, Bharat,
Thanks
and
a lot, Paresh, for having me. Looking forward to work with you in the future as well.
thank you, Bharat, and good
Thank you.
luck for your future endeavors.
Thanks a
Good
lot.
luck.
Thank you, Paresh.
Thank you all.